and I'm supposedly going to participate in this vlog thing. I'm a local, and I'm on my way home to Falun in Sweden. We're right now basically in the middle of Sweden, and I'm headed home from a trip in Stockholm. I was away for about like five days or something. Basically, I was born in Denmark. I lived there for 6 years, and then I moved here. It's a very small town.
How many people?
33,000 inhabitants in the city. The municipality is about 50,000 people. It's a very small town. You can basically walk the entire center of it in about 15 minutes. It's a very cozy town that way.
Mina damer och herrar, om några minuter gör vi första uppehåll i Uppsala. Så tågets nästa uppehåll, Uppsala.
De här gamla bussarna.
My name is Martin, I'm from the Swedish radio. This is our logo, microphone. And these cars here are like, well, there are thousands of these in Sweden. I don't know why, but people tend to like American. I'm a news reporter, as I said to you, so I'm going to interview these people here about the cars in just a few minutes. And this night we have this like special event here, so we transmit radio here.
Mathias. Where are you from?
Finland.
Where are you going?
New Zealand.
Anything else?
Say hi to LA.